Hello everyone, this is Michelle and welcome to my cucina. I will be sharing with you how I make a Chinese style fried chicken similar to Chowking. To those who are not familiar of Chowking, Chowking is a famous fast food chain here in the Philippines. Oh, Chowking ha? Palibre ko na yan sa'yo.
Pero, baka naman, kahit chicken, chow fan, halo-halo, lumpia, siopaw, yung bula-bula ha? At dagdagan mo na rin ng drinks, baka mabulunan kami.
Joke lang! So come on and let's get started with our Chinese-style fried chicken. To start, we will marinate our chicken. I have here the ricotta cut. Now let's add in the following spices: salt, garlic powder, paprika. Paprika is a ground spice from dried red fruits of sweeter varieties of bell pepper. It adds vibrant color to any dish. That's why paprika is one of my staple spices in my cuisine. Black pepper and the Ginisa mix. Just mix it well to evenly spread on our chicken. And we will marinate this for at least an hour in the refrigerator. After an hour of marination, now let's add in our batter ingredients to our marinated chicken: cornstarch, and potato starch. I like adding potato starch because it results in a soft crunch. If you have trouble looking for potato starch, just use 1 cup of cornstarch instead. I don't usually add flour because it easily burns, and the crispiness doesn't last as much as using potato starch or cornstarch. And we will add in our water. We wanted a creamy consistency of our batter, so just slowly add in the water or add more if the consistency is too dry. So please take a closer look at our mixture so you will know with what I meant with creamy consistency. And our chicken is ready for frying. In a deep casserole, add in your oil and wait for it to become hot. One way to test if your oil is hot is by dipping a barbecue stick. When the tip of the barbecue stick bubbles, then our oil is ready. Give your chicken a quick mix and drop into the hot oil. And warning, do not follow me. Use a tongue to drop your chicken if you still want to have complete fingers. Sorry naman. In my cooking videos, I usually only cook a portion good for 3 to 4 persons because we are only 4 in the family. So if you want to cook more, then double or triple the amount of ingredients. Fry your chicken around 10 minutes on each side, while for smaller cuts of chicken, fry for 7 minutes on each side. We will cover it to fully cook the chicken. Don't worry, it will be crispy, and we have a way to make it at its crispiest, which we will do later. When your chicken is done, remove from the oil and turn your heat on high for 2 minutes to make your oil extra hot. We will double fry our chicken, and this is our secret to the crispiest chicken. Slowly drop the chicken and fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes uncovered. After 2 to 3 minutes, our Chowking style fried chicken is done. transfer it into a plate with kitchen towel to drain the excess oil. And here is our super crispy fried chicken. This is best paired with gravy. Click the card above for the recipe of our gravy. And that's it for now, and enjoy the crunch in every bite of our Chowking style fried chicken. See you next time!